You want to make money on Fiverr and you want to do it very quickly. I'm going to show you how. So this is Fiverr.com. The first step, the first thing that you want to do is actually just to set up your Fiverr account. So make sure that you sign up for Fiverr. I'm going to have a link in the description of this video so that you can just click right through there, sign up for Fiverr. That's going to be the foundation, and that is an affiliate link. Click through there and sign up for Fiverr. You can see that this is my account. I'm both a buyer and a seller on Fiverr. I've had multiple accounts over the years that I've made hundreds and even thousands of dollars offering different gigs. I know how Fiverr works, and it's not my main source of income right now because I'm getting paid to do some other things, some contracts, but it is a very good way to make money. So the first step to make money quickly on Fiverr is to set up a Fiverr account and fill out your profile completely. This is very important. So I actually have lots of gigs you can see here. Make sure that you have a good profile picture. Maybe make sure that you write something about yourself here. Just make sure you fill out your profile completely as possible. Have at least one gig, maybe several gigs, and make sure your gigs have pictures, video, fully described gig description. I'll probably make videos on how to do all that another time. I actually have another video where I walk through a lot of the details on Fiverr. This is going to be a faster video about how to make money quick on Fiverr. But the first step is simply to set up your Fiverr account and fill out your profile completely. That is going to be a great way to make a good impression on Fiverr, to get the algorithm on Fiverr working in your favor. It's going to be hard to get found and make money on Fiverr if you don't do that first foundational step. So don't skip that. And the next thing that you want to do is to find easy gigs that you can complete quickly. So another way to make money on Fiverr is simply to pick gigs, services that you can offer quickly. Now, I don't know your specific skills. So if you're a programmer, fixing WordPress problems might be super easy for you. If you're a great writer, writing 300, 500, or 1,000 words might be super easy for you. If you know how to build landing pages, if you know how to proofread and edit work, if you know how to create a 3D book cover, image, something like that. If you can do those kinds of things, graphic design, digital marketing, just look through these gigs. If you find something that you already know how to do very easily and that you can do quickly, well, make a gig on that. That's going to be the simplest and quickest way for you to make some money on Fiverr. And that's not the only option. I'm going to go over some other tools that you can use, even free tools that you can use to speed this up and even automate this process of making money on Fiverr quickly. So set up your account, pick a gig that you can do quickly. The quicker that you can complete a service, the more orders you can take and the more money you can make. So that's what I always focus on Fiverr is what are the gigs that I can do very quickly, I can complete in under an hour so that I can do more than one gig per hour, maybe 3, 4, or 5 per hour. That way I can make more money per hour. So part of selecting a gig that can make you money quickly is to use some tools. So let's jump over to that. One of my favorite tools to make money on Fiverr is Canva. There is a free version of Canva. I'll have a link in the description for Canva. It is an affiliate link as well. There's a free version and a pro version of Canva. I have the pro because I use it for all of my images, for YouTube, I write on Medium, and also on Fiverr. I use it for everything. So I have the pro version. It's very, very cheap. I think it's $12 to $15 per month. I know that's still a lot for some people, and at different times in my life, that was a lot for me. I get it. So you can use the free version if you want. Just click through the link in my description, sign up for Canva, the free version, go with the pro if you can. You're just going to give you more options. You can make a lot of money quickly on Fiverr with Canva. So here are just a few things that you can do. So you can make video presentations, you can create social media stories. Look at how cool these are. You can do animated Pinterest pins, animated Facebook ads, animated Instagram posts. You can create these for people that don't know how to do it or don't know about this tool, you can do it absolutely for free. And these things look really good. Look how good these look. And they have the template set up for you, so you don't have to know any kind of graphic design at all. Let's just go into one of these so I can show you. So this is a Pinterest pin, and we'll go and let's scroll down. Food, wedding Pinterest, birthday Pinterest. Look at all these things that you can do. And here's a video one, and let's just see what happens when we play it. Look, this is done absolutely for you. You can change the text, you can change the pictures, and it is a video already. So these things are already done for you. But even the pins that aren't video are already done for you. So you don't even have to do anything. Change you simply change the text, maybe change the background image if you need to. A lot of times you won't even have to because the image is good for what you want to do. So just pick one of these Pinterest pins. Again, you can do Instagram, you can do Facebook. So that's just social media. That's just one thing that you can do. Let's go back to the home to show you all the different things that you can do. So you can do Instagram posts, you can do posters for people, Facebook posts, logos. People pay for logos all the time on Fiverr. It's like a whole subset of gigs on there, and you can do this absolutely for free on Fiverr. Look at all these different options for logos. And there's some really good ones here. And again, you can change the text, you can change the image if you want to. You can just change the text, keep the image the same. That would be even quicker. Okay, let's go back, show you a few more. So in presentations, you can create flyers, Instagram stories, infographics for people, cards. You can even do YouTube thumbnails. That could be a big gig. You can create videos for people, intros and outros on YouTube. You can make a lot of money quick on Fiverr by doing this. You can do t-shirt designs, website designs, YouTube intros. Look, it's already created for you. Just change the text, maybe the image if you want to. It's super simple. You can set up resumes. You can do menus, event posters. I just want to show you Twitter posts. You can do all the different things that you can do with this. And this is just the scratching the surface. Let me show you something else that you can do that I've done before in the past. So you can do a ebook cover. Check this out. You can create ebook covers or just book covers for people. It's done for you. All you got to do is change the title and the author name, and it is done for you. You can create them from scratch, but you don't have to. The quickest way to do it is to simply pick one of these. I've done that before. People are willing to pay for it, and it is a good service. It's a great cover, I think, and you can make money with Canva. Now, if you want to know my favorite way to make money on Fiverr, this is something new that I've been doing, but I've made over $1,000 in just the last week with this next tool. Now, it is not a free tool, it is a paid tool, but it is absolutely worth it. It's called Conversion.ai. It's an AI writer. This software will automatically generate all kinds of content for you. SEO content, blog posts, articles, love letters. You can write product list descriptions, headlines, titles, come up with business names for people, help them come up with their website name, video scripts, blog posts, and Google ad headlines, Google ads, descriptions, Facebook ads, all kinds of marketing copy. These types of services are all over Fiverr, and they typically take a lot of time. But not with Conversion AI. I've been using this for a little bit over a week now, and like I said, it has made me over $1,000 already with writing contracts, and it is super easy. Using this software, I have been able to double or triple my content production, which means I can write more articles, write more content, and make more money. So there's a couple different ways that you can get this software. I'll have a link in the description of the video. There's a starter version and a pro version. Like I said, it's not free, but there is a 7-day money back guarantee for both of these options. I actually have the pro option because it comes with unlimited words and I can churn out lots of content. But if you just want to try it out for the first 7 days, buy this, and you can actually, with Fiverr, you can make enough money with gigs to more than pay for this, and actually even more than pay for this. You can easily make $100, $200, $300 a day eventually on Fiverr with this software because you can do so many orders per hour with this software because it does it for you. It's just automatic content generation, and AI writers have come a long way. It used to be that you couldn't do this. You wouldn't be able to rely on an AI writer to write something good, but that is not the case anymore. This software has blown me away. So I'll have a link in the video description so you can check it out and check it out for 7 days, either version. The starter version, you get 20,000, but 20,000 words. Let me go and show you just a few things that you can do to make money quickly on Fiverr with this software. Software is being updated all the time. My favorite actually is this long form assistant because that is how you can just see this is just a few of the things I've written in the last week. And now I've deleted a lot of them because I don't want to clog up my content dashboard. But look, long form assistant, that's where you would write your articles, your blogs, even your books. You can write books for people on Fiverr. They're willing to pay a lot of money, and this AI writer is going to do most of the work for you. You just have to put in a couple details to guide it in the right direction, and it does the rest. You can write marketing copy here. You can do product descriptions on Amazon, even book descriptions. You can write a little creative story. Now, this is not going to write a whole short story or a novel, but it will write short little anecdotes. You can do blog posts, intros. Look at how much this does for you. And it will actually also write the blog content for you, not just the ideas, outline, paragraphs. It'll do everything for you. You can fix your sentences. You can do Facebook ads. You can do all kinds of business postings and social media. Amazon product descriptions. People pay a lot of money for that. You can do it quickly on Fiverr, make money. Things for YouTube. Uh, just come up with persuasive bullet points. Come up with all kinds of email subject lines. Write emails for people. People pay a lot of money for that. You can do it quickly because this software is going to do it for you. Now, there's some things that just came out. Every time I try to update one of my videos with the latest features on this software, there's more that are out. So the last thing I did was say, hey, there's this text summarizer which summarizes text for you. But now you can come up with a business name for people. You can help people create engaging polls and multiple choice questions for their groups to keep them engaged. So business or product name, this is super easy. I was just trying this out earlier. So let's say somebody paid you on Fiverr to come up with a business name for them, and they sell clothes online for women. I'm just going to let AI do this for us. Now I'm going to do the outputs. You can do 1 to 10. So let's just see what it comes up with. Again, you can just keep clicking this button, get more ideas, and you can send your client 100 different ideas, your favorite 100 ideas. You can just go down this list, copy all this, send it back, and say, hey, these are the ideas. Hopefully one will work for you. And odds are they will. And it takes literally seconds to do it. Look, delightful styles. I actually like that one. Cherry Closet, Dress Place, Shop Again, Curvy Closet. These are all good. Shopaholic. These are all good business product names. And again, you can just keep clicking this blue button, coming up with more ideas, copy these into a Word or an Excel spreadsheet, and then you have 100 things that you can send your customer without even trying. In less than a minute, you can have this done and you can get on to your next order. That's how quick you can make money on Fiverr with this software. Again, it does all of this for you. All you have to do is enter some information and click the button, and it does most of the work for you. So if you want to make money quick on Fiverr, definitely check out this Conversion AI software. It's nicknamed Jarvis. I love it. There's a link in the description so that you can check it out for yourself and that you can get that 7-day money back guarantee with it. So there's no risk involved with that. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a member of the community. I have other videos on making money online and also make money as a writer and even on Fiverr. So check out those videos. Let me know in the comments your favorite way to make money quickly that you heard in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.